So today we are going to be doing a little decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is something that you might have in your home cabinet, household medicine cabinet, where this is a much more concentrated version. This is going to be 10 times more concentrated than, in all likelihood, what you have in your medicine cabinet. And we're also going to show the effects today of a catalyst. And our catalyst today is a substance we call potassium iodide. It is what we call a saturated solution. If you can see, there's a leftover potassium iodide on the bottom of there that was not able to dissolve. It's dissolved all that it can. And so the rest is left on the bottom. Now, it's a pretty quick activity. I'm going to start out, I'm just going to measure out 10 milliliters of the hydrogen peroxide. And the hydrogen peroxide is a highly corrosive material. All right, so when I pour this in, I want to be especially careful. And I want to make sure that I don't get any on me. There we go. Tuck that away. And I'm simply just going to pour it right into this is called a Florence flask. I will pour it in there. And I might actually go ahead and rotate the screen around a little bit so it's actually not, I noticed that it was upside down as I looked at it. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to add just a little bit of some dish soap. This is just so I can see the reaction and catch the bubbles going. And just for the effect of visualization, I'm going to put one drop of some food coloring in there. And you'll notice, obviously, really nothing is happening at the moment. Okay. Although, at least it's not that you can see. The reality is some of this reaction, some of this decomposition is taking place just by it being exposed to the air. The last step then is I'm going to get my potassium iodide solution. This again is my catalyst, and we know catalysts, about 3 milliliters of that, are used to speed up chemical reactions. And once I have my catalyst, and I add my catalyst, we're going to see if we can't get this reaction going a little bit faster. Out we go. That is what is oftentimes called elephant toothpaste. Now, one thing you can't see very easily in this is that it continues to bubble. Maybe we can zoom in a little bit. Continues to bubble a little bit. It's still running for a little while. But also gives off a little bit of steam. It's a very exothermic chemical reaction. Gives off a lot of heat in the process. Now the cleanup, again, since this has got a lot of the hydrogen peroxide in it, I want to be sure that I am careful with my cleanup. I don't want to get it on my hands. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take the whole bin and wash it off in the sink. But there you saw our decomposition of hydrogen peroxide.